taught how to do the Rubik's Cube by my uncle using an algorithm, but then I practiced and now I know it by heart. So first we have to do a white cross here. So we got the white cross, and now we have to do the corner pieces that have the white here. Now we got the white side. So now we have to do these pieces here to get them equal.
Okay.
Now we got this part, and we just have to do the top. So we have to do a yellow cross that's already there.
Okay.
So we just have to go to the next step. That's doing the side pieces.
Okay.
You got the side pieces. Now we have to do the corner ones. None of them are matching, so we have to just do the step. This one is matching, so we have to keep it to the right side.
Okay.
Now, all of them are matching. These two are in the correct positions. These two are matching, but we just need to rotate them.
Okay.
Now we solve the cube.
Yeah. Show everything. Yeah.